Welcome to Tuned In Tuesday. Almost forgot what day it was. Tuned In Tuesday has to say, cleanse. Start cleansing. That's what came to thought today. Throughout the day, actually. And that could mean, what first came to mind was, clean particular rooms, clean your space, your workspace, your home space, your sleep space, your space, your area. Declutter. Seems like this is the time to declutter. That's always been on my mind lately, especially the last couple months, but today especially, it just seems like decluttering seems to be in the forefront right now. And that also could mean, too, I felt the feeling of, smudging the house, opening up the doors, windows and doors, because it's nice and it's not hot out, overly hot out here in Florida, but it's cool enough to where you can turn off the AC, open up the windows and doors, and start smudging the house and cleansing it, neutralizing the energy. But decluttering, I've been doing a little bit of that, little by little, leading up to spring cleaning, so to speak. We're getting close to spring cleaning. Pretty much, it is March 1st. So it is the Ides of March. So that's what's on my mind. Declutter, cleanse, smudge, clear, clean. That seems to be what we should be tuning into as we move over the hump into this week, which is tomorrow. Thank you everybody who's already subscribed. Tell your friends, family, coworkers, peeps, colleagues, associates. Go check out the channel. Plan to have another guest on this week, if not before the end of the week, by the end of the week, if not into Saturday. So I'm trying to stay ahead of the have one show ready while there's another one behind that, and so on and so forth. The more subscribers we have, the more opportunity I have to do more shows, and have sponsorships. So please tell your friends, tell your family, so on and so forth. Everybody, tell everybody. See what else. That's it. That's all I can think of. Declutter, cleanse, clear, clean. That's the word of the day. That's what spirits brought into my into the forefront of my mind. And keep your emotions in check. Keep your thoughts in check. Not to be negative thoughts, but neutral thoughts, and thoughts of kindness, thoughts of love, thoughts of respect. As we move into these strange times, let not fear step in the way, as fear is a mind killer. So, but other than that, I appreciate all of you for watching, subscribing, and tell everyone. And again, stay tuned for the March 30th premiere of Keith Kong, The Mentalist. That will be interesting. I'm intrigued. He's not telling me anything about what he's going to present. So, I like surprises. Haha. So, yeah. Check out the website. Go to the top of the page, up in the banner here, and check out the website. You got the website, you got Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, and Pinterest, I think it is. But also on the About tab, below the banner on the very last tab, is all our other information. If you scroll down, all our other networks of where we podcast on, of our general and our regular episodes. So, other than that, I do appreciate it. Thank you for tuning in to Conscious Radio Network. I'll talk to y'all tomorrow. Thank you.